but only today
Okay.
Usman has been brother Usman has been opened. He has given the guidance.
Okay.
So by tomorrow everyone should open, ma'am, to practice.
Yeah. So everybody is interested in AWS, no?
Yes, ma'am. Alhamdulillah.
So take it as because it's a boon of AWS. So it's a new upcoming technology AWS, and it will go till more 10 years or 20 years, I don't know. But so take a command over this AWS. This is the starting initial classes. You have to work on that. Afterwards, after learning, you have to practice. You have to work on that, on projects and everything, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. Inshallah.
Inshallah. So today we'll talk about the career development and planning and development. So let us first, what are your plans about your career planning, and what are the steps you have to take to plan a career, and your career it has to develop. Once you have a like a plan for it, then you have to switch with the organization. For the development of your career, both are responsible. The employee and organization both are responsible for the development of career, organization and the employee. So could you please anybody share the what is the plan, career plan you have in your mind? Just share your views, career plan, and how it can be developed, your career.
Yes, ma'am. For career plan, ma'am, we need to get full guidance from the experienced persons, ma'am.
Okay, yes.
Like for fresher, ma'am, they will be when they'll come out of the college, then they don't know what the field they should choose. So
I think one thing I want to say, one
yes,
small story also is there in English for
yes, ma'am.
kids.
Yes.
Like a rabbit, bunny rabbit was there in the jungle. So some wild dogs were chasing here that rabbit. So every time in the forest he goes to some animals for the help. He goes to bear and other animals in the forest, but they said that they are busy with some other work, so he could not find any help from his friends. So he realized that I have to help myself to survive. For surviving, the bunny rabbit has to survive, has to help himself. So he learned a lesson that, so what he has done, that bunny rabbit, he hide himself in a bushes. Once those wild dogs were coming, that time he hide himself in the bushes, and he was bunny rabbit was saved now. So he learned lesson that we have to help ourselves for surviving. So for a meantime you can take and nowadays like everything is transparent, open, okay, web. Like before that we have to go to library and we have to approach the persons like that. So nowadays the social media is there on the web. So any query, anything you have, any query, you can search it. So whatever the even the experts, they are sharing their experiences on the web, isn't it? Professionals and
Yeah,
experts,
yes,
yes.
ma'am.
So like this nowadays we don't have to approach them, or we don't have to approach them, we have their on web everything. So we cannot say that no one is like, we have to set ourselves first, plan yourself about the skill set. Accordingly you have to work on that. Okay, so now let us start with the career planning.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes sir, please.
Yeah. For career planning, ma'am, now, like previously, we used to go to the career councils, and
Mm-hmm.
they used to guide us. Like according to me, ma'am, that is the best way, ma'am, because we don't know. After coming from the colleges, there are many fields like testing is there, development is there, networking is there, programming. Many are there. We'll get confused. So as last week we have discussed, like we have to give 1 week or more than a week for ourselves to find
Yes.
out what interest we have, what we can do.
Yes. Yes.
That is the first step, ma'am. Then only we
Yeah.
can go forward.
Yeah. Yes. It is true. Very true. First, you have
Yes.
to analyze yourself. Analyze and jot down what aim objective. Without analyzing, you cannot aim it. No, you cannot. You cannot frame an objective. You cannot frame an objective without analyzing the thing. So first analyze, then write an objective. Accordingly, you have to plan the bed specific, measurable, then time, attainable, how you are going to attain that, how you are going to achieve that. You have to write down 5 steps. Okay, a specific. Okay, write down now itself. Can you do it? Small activity will do now, right now. Write smart,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
write. Okay, specific. In what way you are specific? Write some points. You are specific towards that I want to do AWS. You are specific about this. Okay, then measurable. So measurable, how you can measure yourself. These are the uh, uh, interest I have, so I want to go for this AWS. Okay, then A, how you are going to achieve this? By taking 2 week or 3 weeks training classes. 2 or 3 weeks training. First is learning classes, then training. First you have to learn. There is a lot of difference between learning and training, isn't it? So
Yes, ma'am.
okay, so you have to 2 weeks, 2 weeks or 3 weeks for learning, or 2 weeks for training. This is the uh, you want to achieve this. Okay, then time bound. How realistic, how you are going to make it realistic, that points also you have to write. Then how much time you will take, how much time you will contribute to attain this goal. Daily, per day how many hours you want to contribute for this learning process. Now you are in the learning process. After learning process, now you have to go through the next is training process. Once you will get training, then you can go for the interviews. Two processes required. First learn, then train, then evaluate yourself. Then after that 3 steps, you are now perfect to attend any interview. Without this you cannot go for any interview, isn't it? Yes. Can you say one by
Yeah.
one what are the 3 steps for going, if you are perfect for going for interview? If you have gone through 3 steps of process. First is learning, second is training, then evaluating. Okay, are you writing for the smart? Everybody please write. Camera is on, make your cameras on and write down please. Yes, Muhammad Amjad, yes, please write down about the smart. Today we'll do for career planning.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please. Muhammad Amjad and Usman Ali, please open your cameras.
Ma'am, as you said, first step is learning. Second is a
Second is learning, then training, then
training.
evaluation.
Okay. Like ma'am, first step learning means we are learning like AWS, Amazon Web Services,
Mhm.
and training means there is a 15 days training. Uh, we have to learn and we have to practice.
Yeah,
Without practicing, there is no benefit.
yeah, yes.
And evaluating means, ma'am, we have to implement, ma'am, that one.
Mm,
Like we have to go for interviews and we have to get the job and implement
mm.
in the real time.
Evaluation means you have to evaluate yourself, that you
Okay.
have to practice. Okay, you have to suppose on AWS web server, you have to create this account. So without any hesitation, without knowing about the thing, can you do it? Can you do it
Okay.
perfectly? Like that. Now you are independent means now you
Yes.
are knowledgeable person of AWS. You can do anything. So that you have to judge yourself by evaluation. Evaluate it. Whatever the concept you are learning during your course, make a note of that. Lab 1, lab 2, lab 3. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
lab
Okay.
1 activities. Okay. Lab 1 activity, what it has for creation of this one password, like that. Can you do it without means you have remembered those steps how to do it? Evaluate yourself.
Okay.
So when you go for an interview, at that time he asked about that. Okay, we in the interview we don't want to say the concepts explanation. Okay,
Yes.
if you know how you are going to, the AWS very implemented. Okay, now all implemented, that is implemented one only. Okay, now everyone is working on that.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it won't differ. Yeah, isn't it? It won't differ. It is a web server concepts. Your lab types of labs you are doing, you are familiar, so you should be familiar and you should have a very good hand over that, so that you have to evaluate yourself,
Okay.
isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. Like
Then
hands-on experience.
yes, so how much time? So smart, specific. AWS, you said
Yes.
specific. Okay, first write down specific.
Okay.
Write about the specific, how specific you are. Means now you are specified with the thing that I want to learn this AWS.
Yes.
Okay, skill set, one of the skill of your skill set, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
AWS. So how you are going to get the perfection? So now you want to get perfection in that
Yes, ma'am.
specific. Now you are very specific. Then measurable. How you are going to measure this AWS?
Yes.
You want to do learning process, you want to do training process, and you want to evaluate yourself for this. How like how you have gained the expertization or perfection in doing the lab activities. Lab activities most important thing. So that is a
Yes.
measurable. Then how you are going to attain this? You are giving here 3 hours. Okay, nearly 3 hours.
Yes.
Okay, so apart from 3 hours, how much you want to give your time? Suppose today you have attended first class, you have attended. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so you have to during your class you have to make some points what the sir is saying. So after the class you just go through the points and you can research on the web about those points. So these are the references. Okay, and for students also they will say, if SSC student is there, he is preparing for examination, so they will say that you have to, suppose one concept is there about the um, organ system, different organ system. So the student has to refer for this, for that particular topic student has to refer different references he has to go through. So you too also have to do this. So then come across with the points, then you will get the clarity. Okay, you want the concepts very clear and clarity should be there in your mind, whatever you are learning, isn't it? Clarity is there now. By attending these classes, you now you got the clarity for your subject. Here we are going in English communication. Clarity you got, like I am very, now I am very like a confident and effective speaker. You got this clarity.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
How much percent? So evaluation, this is evaluation and you are measuring. You can say measuring and evaluation same. Then time bound. Okay, in 3 months, in this 2.5 months, how much you have covered, how much you have found a change in yourself, in your speaking, in your thinking. Okay, and you should continue this throughout your life. Then only that is a, you have attained. Okay, you have achieved, then you can say that you have achieved. Okay, I am correct.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes.
If you are not implementing means it's a waste of time, ma'am. Yes.
Yes. So can you say discuss on this smart example according to your career plan?
Yeah. Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Just give me some time, ma'am. I'm making some notes.
Okay, I have
Yeah.
given you task. Do your
Okay.
preparation. Meantime, I will give my presentation. Okay, I will give you
Yes. Sure.
more time. Okay, now here career planning and development. For this career planning and development, two parties are involved: organization and individual initiatives. So organizational initiatives and individual initiatives in career planning and development. Okay, Mr. Usman, you want to say?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, just a minute. No. हमें आपका फोन रख दिया, देखो आप। Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, ma'am.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, today in my home some maintenance work is going on, ma'am. That's why might be there is some external disturbance.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
Sir.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So I was in the class, ma'am, just now. You were saying about the how to, for your career, what you have to do. So first you have to undertake the course. Like first you have to learn, then you have to train yourself, then you have to evaluate.
Yes.
So in this prospectus, ma'am, it is very highly important for us. Like, you know, we have studied engineering, we have studied MCA, or whatever professional course we might have studied. That is what is the thing that we have studied. But how much training we have done in each and every subject that we have got a domain, we have got an expertise, we have got a career path in that. So in which domain of our professional study or in other real-time domains that we have got a training. So the training will actually help us to know the real environment, the job roles and responsibility, the day-to-day tasks in the life of that specific professional, ma'am. So then after doing all of this, we have to look at the various experts, ma'am, their CVs and resumes and job descriptions, and then we have to evaluate ourselves, like how much technology you know, like just now, ma'am, you are saying, will you be able to like install this router? You will be able to, you know, install the web server and clients, and likewise will you able to will you be able to create a virtual environment with using an Amazon Web Services?
Yes.
Like it's important that we should have a hands-on. Like at that time, we should not again go and refer our manual or our notes or something. So in any professional course, like that is what is the speciality of our course, ma'am. Like with our whatever we are learning, we have got an opportunity to practice well. There is a virtual environment, there is a free environment wherein you can at least practice. If not the real-time scenario you are getting, but at least that is what is Nadeem sir saying from the beginning. If you put all of these technologies and if you know how to do that, so that is the way you can actually your CV will have a weightage. And that you can go through. So that's what, ma'am, according to that that we were discussing the SMART initiative. We have like with all these ma'am, Al Khair has given us different career avenues we can opt for. We can opt for an IT support desk, and we can opt for a system admin. We can opt for a network associate. Likewise, we can opt for an Amazon Web Services associate. Likewise, if any of the field wherein you are expertise with, or you believe that you can go ahead, we can apply for this, ma'am. But I have seen, ma'am, a lot of CVs like in this journey, like people they are expert in the 3-5 different domains, ma'am. They are very flexible actually.
Yes.
So alhamdulillah, because of this, we have actually got an opportunity to be flexible for 2-3 different domains. So that will actually make our resume more strong, and there'll be a whole lot of other fields as well, like our primary interest we can actually opt for. But in some or the other way,
problem alternatives should have.
Yes, ma'am. In some or the other way, it will give us an entry into an IT, either with the help desk or all of this. So that is what is SMART. Measurable, ma'am. Within this time frame, whatever things are being taught to us, like I have taken the notes of this our computer networking, and all the notes I have gone through. Like there was one of the tests, ma'am. At that test, sorry to say, but at that test I have not taken. But after that test, I have taken the notes and I have gone through it, ma'am. It's very basic but very essential topics. That is like ma'am, ABCD like things, but it's highly essential that when you go to the corporate, they will talk in the language of technology. There will be a tech talk, just like we have discussed. So that techie talk, in order to understand you should familiarize ourselves with some technical terms.
Yes.
So they will say RIP, you know about this WAN, about the topologies, about the different configurations of Mac, all of those.
Yes. So I will come up in next class with this techie talk.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So
Yeah,
this
so
is the,
yes, ma'am. Measurable and likewise the relevant, time bound, and attainable, relevant, and time bound. Ma'am, it can become attainable if you are actually practicing, ma'am. As you have been saying, it can become attainable when whatever we are learning, are we practicing it? If we are practicing, then it becomes attainable. It's actually relevant to us. Why? Because we have done some professional course. We have got an academic qualification. Then within this time frame, if we could actually practice and if we could learn, the faculties can help us, and we can always have a within the time frame we can get placed somewhere, ma'am. So it's actually our SMART terminology that's coming up along with that.
So always go accordingly, according to SMART. Then only you can achieve your career. So here we have now today for career, good discussion. You have shared your views. So Mr. Muhammad Amjad, can you say on this SMART and career planning? Jazakallah, Mr. Usman, you have elaborated the things. Jazakallah. Next, Muhammad Amjad or Mr. Riaz Ahmad. Anybody you want to still add some points into this career planning?
Yes, ma'am. I have prepared something.
Sir, please.
Yes, like learning. First is a learning. Like we are learning 3 months of course. Training for daily 3 hours. And we have to practice. We need to update the skills. and how much we are perfection, how much we are in the perfection, we should evaluate ourselves, and we have to measure that in 3 months what I have learned. Like if we are just learning by forcing by the management, that is a no use, ma'am.
Yes, yes,
Like we are wasting our time. Like we have to learn with our interest. That
yes,
will be a well and good.
yes, yes. Nice,
Thank you.
nice views. Okay, good. Jazakallah. Next, Muhammad Amjad. Okay. Next, organizational initiatives and individual initiatives. Okay. By this presentations, we are getting some vocabulary words to present in our career or in our organization. Okay. So these vocabulary words, try to uh, add these vocabulary words in your speaking. Okay. In your profession and in your career. So organizational initiatives, they are how they will take initiatives organization by a job posting system, mentoring activities, career resources centers, managers as career counselors. So they are taking initiatives organizations by doing this activities, a job posting system, mentoring activities, career resource centers, managers as career counselors. Then career development workshops, they will organize human resource planning and forecasting, performance appraisals, career pathing programs. This job posting system, what it has, it is an organized process that allows employees to apply for open positions within the organization. They can respond to announcements and postings of positions and then be considered along with external candidates. Mentoring activities. The primary purpose of a mentoring system is to introduce people to the inner network of the organization, which may assist them in their career advancement. Mentoring activities. Mentoring systems help clarify the ambiguous expectations of the organization, provide objective assessment of the strengths and weaknesses of new employees, and provide a sounding board of participants. Career resource centers. A career resource center returns the responsibility of career development to the employee. The center offers self-directed, self-paced learning and provides resources without creating dependence on the organization. Career resource centers. Career development works only if employees accept responsibility for their own careers. One of the fundamental goals of career development is to help facilitate career decision making, which helps to develop career exploration and evaluation competencies. Career resources centers. The primary services provided at career resource centers are educational information, career planning, and personal growth and job finding skills. Managers as career counselors. These initiatives bring several unique advantages to the career counseling role. Managers can make realistic appraisals for organizational opportunities. Managers can use information from past performance evaluation to make realistic suggestions concerning career planning. Managers have experienced similar career decisions and can be empathetic toward the employee. Career development workshop. Career development workshop is designed to encourage employees to take responsibilities for their careers. Employees can reflect on their present occupation in order to determine their level of satisfaction. Career development workshop. Thus, workshops and seminars are excellent vehicle for orienting employees to career or life planning, a major component of career development. Career development workshops and seminars seeks to address several basic questions. Where are you in your career and your life? What are your goals, interests, values, choices, and skills? Where do you want to be in your career in the future? What are your career options? These are the more career development workshops to know about what knowledge and skills do you need to attain your goals. How do you plan to gain knowledge and skills? Is your plan realistic? What are the obstacles? What obstacles are self imposed? What is your commitment to developing your career? This is the most important thing, your commitment for developing your career. Then human resource planning and forecasting. Human resource planning is viewed process of analyzing an organization's human resource needs under changing conditions and developing the activities necessary to satisfy these needs. Human resource planning and forecasting, from the analysis of needs, priorities can be determined and human resources can be allocated to satisfy existing future needs through career management. Then performance appraisal. Performance appraisals are a total HRD practitioners can use to guide and direct future growth opportunities for employees. This should aid in the development of a person's career as well as enhance communications and understanding. Then career path is the sequencing of work experiences, usual different job assignments in order to provide employees with the opportunity to participate in many aspects of a professional area. For example, in order for a salesperson to move up the ladder to regional manager, it is important that he or she understand all aspects of the job. Therefore, a career path in sales might include a period of time in sales, account supervision, and district management. By experiencing each of these related but different occupations, the employee can develop a better understanding of the broad role of regional manager. Here we have three types of career planning: historical, organizational, behavioral. Okay, so historical means a past pattern of career progression, how the incumbents got where they are. Organizational paths defined or directed by the management to meet operating needs, progression patterns that fit prevailing organizational needs. Behavioral paths that are logically possible based on analysis of what activities are actually performed on the job. Then actual paths created by the past movement of employees among management jobs. Paths determined by prevailing needs for staffing the organization. Behavioral, rational paths that could be followed willingly. Perpetuates the change. Way careers have always been reflects prevailing management values and attitudes regarding careers. Calls for change, new career options used as a basis for career planning. Historical type of career planning used as basis for promotions and transfers. Then organizational type of career planning usually consistent with job evaluation and pay practices. Then career planning, behavioral type of career planning used as a basis for career planning. Then historical type of career planning basis is informal and traditional. Then organizational type of career planning is organizational need, management style, expectancy. The behavioral type of career planning basis is formal analysis and definition of options. Then This is about the how the employee take initiatives, in what way. Initiative, employee should take initiatives in regard of career planning, career awareness, career resource center utilization, interests, values, and competency analysis. Okay, these are, we have seen about the organization initiatives. Now we have a look into this employees. Okay, employees initiatives. They should take initiative in career planning, career awareness, career resource center utilization, interest, value, and competency analysis. So let me have anybody, you just talk on this 4 points: career planning, awareness, resource center, then interest, values, and competency analysis. Anybody, please. Yes, please, anybody. Individual, how an employee should take an initiative in career planning, career awareness, career resources. Here we have career planning means is the process of setting individual career objectives, creatively developing activities that will achieve them. Then career planning can also be seen as a personal process consisting of 3 criteria: broad life planning, development planning, performance planning. The HRD practitioner has an obligation to encourage as well as provide for the utilization of career planning on the part of employees. Career planning is the employee's counterpart to the organization's overall human resource planning activity. Career awareness. Employees are ultimately responsible for the development of their own careers. Ultimately, they are responsible for their own careers. Employees control decisions such as whether to remain in the organization, whether to accept specific occupational assignments, whether to perform at acceptable levels, and even whether to engage in personal growth activities through training or professional continuing education. Career awareness as an employee, the role of the HRD practitioners is to provide the means and the information to assist in personal career decision making. HRD practitioners must develop a climate and culture that is conducive for growth, one that encourages career development. Career awareness, employees in turn should take advantage of that climate and be aware of the important components of career development. They need to construct plans that will enable them to accomplish their career goals, analyze potential career areas, determine if they possess the skills, competencies, and knowledge necessary to be considered serious candidates for such position. If you have such qualities, such knowledge, so you should come up with the things in the organization for the promotion. Okay, if you are a genuine and serious candidate to achieve that career in your path, so you have to come up with that. You have to show that, you have to market yourself about your skills. Then only they can recognize organization or HR people. Career resource center, most career resource centers provide occupational guides, educational references, career planning guides, and computer programs aimed at assisting employees in determining their career interests, values, and competencies. These materials increase the effectiveness and efficiency of career planning and provide employees with alternative approaches to career development. Then interest, values, and competencies analysis. The strong Campbell interest inventories, the self-directed search, and Vista Act are examples of interest inventories designed to provide employees with important information about their career interests, values, and competencies. These tests are easily administered and can provide the vital baseline and data essential in career planning and career enhancement. So this is about the initiatives taken by the employees. These are the initiatives as an employee he has to take: career planning, awareness, resource, interest, values, and competencies analysis. So from our side, employee side, anybody want to share your views how an employee should be in his career? Yes, anybody?
Like ma'am, in IT, if you are doing, if you are making career in IT, like every time many things will come, ma'am. Like we have to upgrade ourselves. We
Yeah.
have to take advantages, ma'am. Like for example, if you are taking .NET, first it was VB.NET.
Yeah.
Now after some days it came as ASP.NET. We need to upgrade to be in that industry, in the technology. We need to be updated, ma'am. If you are not updating, we are not taking advantages, then waste, ma'am, that one.
Yeah. So career awareness should be there. Okay. Planning, awareness, and interest also. It is related. Okay. Everything. Planning, awareness, and you have to get the resources. Okay. If you want to learn, you should have resources, isn't it? So
Yes, yes.
look for us resource centers also. How you are going to look for the resource centers? What sort of resource centers you will go for?
Like resource centers based, ma'am. Training. You're telling about the training.
No, no, not training.
Uh,
Resource means to upgrade yourself. You have to, without training also, you have to get the knowledge, upgrading yourself. Currently you are working, okay, you want to upgrade to achieve, suppose one project is there on that platform. So while doing your job also, you have to upgrade yourself. So you need to take a resources. They will provide organization for the employees also to upgrade himself. So resource centers provide occupational guides, like guides will be there available, occupational or educational references you have to refer. I said no, to know more about the things you have to go for the references, read 2 to 3 references. Career planning guides also. Guide means it will help you out. He will give you the, just like a counselor, guide you in that way, in that path. Computer programs aimed at assisting employees in determining their career interests. So many programs are set, computer programs are there available, like app. It will assist the employees to find out the career interest, values, and what are the competencies you have. Accordingly you have to move your career, isn't it?
yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes.
Like we have to go online. We have to like in YouTube, many videos are there, ma'am. If we want to upgrade ourselves, we can just follow that videos.
Yeah. So you have to find the resources to upgrade yourself, to take a smooth path in your career. Your interests, values, and competencies, how much abilities you have. Okay, abilities you have to check it out. These materials increase the effectiveness. Okay, if you are getting the resource, now you are getting the resource through online this class, so you will get you are increasing your effectiveness and efficiency also by doing this. Okay, you are getting a resource of online job oriented. Okay, job oriented course, this is the resource you are getting. So using this, you are planning for your career and you are getting a effectiveness and you are improving your efficiency also, isn't it?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
So here we have our examples of interest inventories designed to provide employees with important information about their career interest. Using this, you can find your interests, values, and competencies. These are the examples of interest inventories are there. Vista, this one, these are the things. So anybody want to share your views on this topic? Source of reference, this is the reference book, Principles of Human Resource Development. Anybody want to say about the career planning? How it consists of 3 criteria: broad life planning, development planning, and performance planning. Just we have a discussion on this. Anybody come up with your ideas, views? Broad life planning, development planning, performance planning. Yes, anybody, please.
Can you describe your broad life planning?
Development planning, okay.
No,
Career-
broad life planning. Broad life planning. What does it mean by broad life?
Broad means you have to think about in a broad life planning. Means if you have a career planning, you want to upgrade yourself, you want to move towards your career smoothly. Now you are at one stage. If you want to, if you are a career oriented person, you want to move further, go ahead, so you should have this broad life planning also. Now you are working as a clerk, okay, suppose you are working as a clerk. Now you are satisfied with your position. This is not a broad life planning. Is it is a broad life planning? No. You want to upgrade, you should have that uh, interest of upgrading yourself and moving ahead towards in your career. So that is a broad life planning. So if you have this broad life planning, then you will go for the development of your career. Upgrade, you want to go for, you will go for upgradation. Then you will perform. Once you got training, once you got learned, you have learned and you have got trained. Now the time for your performance on your job. Based on your performance appraisal, okay, they will give you the appraisal based on your performance, and for the next year, based on your performance, they will give the increment, isn't it, or promotion also. So this is the broad life planning. You should have a plan. Every individual should have plan for the process of your life. Without any plan, you cannot like, you means you should have a, is the process of life, no, what we are living is the process of life. In this process of life, how you have to plan it. Okay, so broad life planning, development planning, and performance planning. If you want to have a career planning, so you should have these 3 things: personal process criteria. Anybody want to view their views? You want to share their views?
Yes, ma'am. Can I describe performance planning?
Okay, okay.
Well, if you, first of all, I would like to describe to the performance planning. So mostly persons, those who are in high positions, so they believe in this things. If a person is to perform well in their positions, so they get to know about performance planning, and we can say that every individual persons have their own responsibility to perform well in their field. If they perform well in the field, so they get the good achievement in their life. And mostly those who are higher authority, so they will try to get perform well in their positions.
Mhm.
That's why they get the higher achievements.
Mhm.
So we can do these things in their field or in their job. That's it.
Yes, good. So to how, if suppose an individual should want, they want an individual employee want to inculcate this, they have to do this performance planning. How they have to plan it for performance planning? Organization to organization, it will differ. What terms they will conclude for performance, based on which performance they will give you the appraisal. First is
We can say that if a person is working in the company, so every company has some incentives. So if a company is providing some types of incentive plan to get the target, to get to know achieve the target a person, so they perform well in their field. So I think this is a very good way to mm, uh, do their employers to do well, perform well in their field.
for doing well, plan out for plan. First is in first thing is punctuality, regularity, and the commitment. Three things most important for any employee. Based on their performance means first initial is punctuality, regularity, and the commitment. How committed are you are towards your work? These most three important things required by any organization from an employee, isn't it? Then secondary, this is
Yes, yes.
primary things. Then the secondary things, how in a team he is playing a very key role in the team. So if you are becoming a key role, if you are performing a key role in the team, you are not a team leader, you are a team member, and you are a team member and performing a key role in that team. So you will be recognized in the organization, and you got the appraisal for your performance. Means you are coming up with the, you are taking initiatives in a team. You have, what sort of initiatives you are taking? You have taken, you are a problem solver, you are an initiator. So these things they will check it out. And your commitment, most important during your working hours, how committed you are. So this is about your performance planning. Then only you will get a promotion, development planning. And most important, communication also most important key. for your performance planning. Communication, how you will present the things in front of the authority, that is
Yes.
most important thing.
Yes.
Interpersonal skills. Okay,
Interpersonal skills means.
interpersonal skills means you want to speak to your team leader, how you are going to speak, in what way, different ways are there. Okay, so if you want to convey the, suppose your example, you want to convey the things, right? You are facing some problem, or you are finding any difficulty in your team, you have problem with other co-worker, so how you will communicate the things to the higher authority in the positive way. Don't give the don't inform them in a negative way. The same thing you have to inform in a positive way. Don't point anybody in the team that I am facing this difficulty, so I have approach you for the solution. Like this you have to speak. I'm facing
Yes.
this type of this difficulty, I want solution from your side, that's why I have approached you. So this is the way of conveying the things, way of approaching. So for any difficulty in at your workplace, first approach the authority in a very good manner. So that is why for going for an interview, they are checking for your etiquettes, manners, how you are sitting, how you are speaking, how you are reacting. Okay, we have seen these things. So that is a pressure stress reaction. Then how you are communicating, how you are, how's your behavior, how is your behavior in the team. Okay, a group of people, 10 to 12 people, they will work, and each and every person individual, they have their ego, attitude, but we should not show to others our ego and attitude. So at the workplace, work environment, so doing the same work, number of people, distributing their responsibilities. Okay,
Yes.
anybody want to discuss, Mr. Faraz, more points you can discuss if you have any ideas with you.
Yes. Career
Yes, Mr.
planning.
Faraz.
Uh,
Yes,
if I would like to speak
or
on the
career
career
awareness.
planning. Yes, career awareness. Career
Okay.
awareness. If I would like to speak on the career awareness, so each and every time you can keep in mind to these things.
Mhm.
You are very more careful about their about to your future or to your career, because mostly persons are, if they are working in their field, so they are used to their field. They work, and they are doing their work, they are used to, but they are not upgraded
Mhm.
themselves. So if, because of they are not uh, properly career aware, because if opportunities comes in their field, so the opportunity has gone, but they they can't get that opportunity, because of they don't aware the career awareness. They don't have a career awareness things. If
Mhm.
if the small things, if they are um, if they are careful about their career awareness, so the small things is
Mhm.
a very big things. Just like if a person is used to in programming field, but a person is not going to the
Mhm.
another field, like hardware field, because he's not interested, but the opportunity is also there. only some small work as comparison to the programming field. If a person is given the programming field in 20 to 20 hours in a day, but in a hardware field, if a person is given only a 12 hour in a day, and they get the higher amount as comparison to programmer.
Mhm.
So each and every field have a different things, and if a person is very careful about their future or their career, so these types of opportunity has come under their mind, and
Mm.
persons is uh, know about the things if or a small things just like to see we can say that कि कुछ चीजें होती हैं जो सामने आती हैं और लोग उसको कैच कर लेते हैं.
Mhm.
We can say that कि mostly persons if a person interested if a small interest, just not a keen interest, it's a small interest is define the career awareness.
Yes.
So I think this is very important things, career awareness things.
Yes. 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 For building your career, career awareness is most important thing.
Yes, of
Resources
course.
center for career. Educational references you have to do
Yes, we
one
can say that.
project also.
Yes, I do these things in myself, and I know this is if I'm distracting to my things, just like to I'm distracting to my career.
Hmm.
So I go for the some guidener, those who have a very good guidance. So I go for them and I talk to them. Yeah, I'm in the I'm the right way or right path or not.
Good.
So that times got the I got the more motivations from some guidance from the guide advisement, just like some higher authority, those who are in good positions in their field. So I talk to them and I know I just tell them कि I have done those things and this like this, and so I'm in the right way or not. So if they told me to this कि you are in right way and you can you just try to your 100% to give them to 100% in this field, so you can got uh, a higher level. Just like yeah, I'm studying in the system administrations classes. So one of my brothers, he's good at in programming language or administrations. So he
Okay.
told me to this. I told them. I told him, I don't get all the things 100%. So he told me to this. If you got the 50% of this class, so that is enough for you because you are getting the online classes. So this is enough idea, and if you have a small idea to this, and you can do well. Just like you have a 50%, you got the 50% from these classes. So you are well in if you are trying to do more things in this field and you got the 100%, and if you get the 100% uh, in future. So
Inshallah.
like
So
this.
by doing this resource center, by from your guide, you are evaluating yourself that how much evaluation you are doing from your guide, isn't it?
Yes, yes,
And your guide also help you out to how capable, how what are the abilities you have. Okay.
yes, yes, of course.
Yes. So that this is most important thing play a role, this resource center.
Yes, yes. Of course, it will gives you lots of opportunity, or it will gives you a more careful about your future, or more motivational from your guidance.
Mm. Yes, and by evaluation you will get confidence, isn't it?
Yes, and how much capable you are to know
Yes.
about yourself.
Yeah. So good, nice to hear from your side, Mr. Akram. Mashallah, good views you have shared with us.
Thank you
Jazakallah.
very much.
Okay. Next, anybody you want to say some words, few points on this career resource center planning awareness?
Like ma'am, I'll prepare and I will say tomorrow.
Okay, inshallah. Anybody, please, awareness resource center. Muhammad Amjad. Planning awareness resource center. Okay, tomorrow we'll have okay, we'll continue with this starting 10 minutes, 15 minutes with this session. Talk about on career resource planning and the awareness. Okay, inshallah. We'll stop here then.
Yes ma'am.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi barakatuh.